Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can allow Siri to announce your notifications on the iPad. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, scroll and select Notifications. Under Notifications, select Announce Notifications. Then from here, to turn them on, simply tap on the toggle. Once they've been enabled, you can now start customizing it. So the first option is to choose when you want the announcers to appear. So for example, if headphones is enabled, then it means that Siri will only announce your notifications with supported headphones, such as the AirPods. Alternatively, if you turn this off, then it means all your notifications will be announced. You also have the option to reply without confirmation. So this means that you can send messages without Siri having to read back through the message. Then you also have the option of enabling announce notifications for certain apps and as well as disabling for certain apps. So say for example Discord. As you can see, it's turned on, but when I select it, I also have the option to disable them. Then when I go back to my settings, I can choose to enable for a different app. Say for example, Find My. So I can choose to enable announce notifications for the Find My feature. So it's up to you to decide which is enabled and which is disabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.